I think that one is missing, but I use ChatGPT for transcription of what I'm saying. Because it's a masterful job of putting commas, and then I copy that and I text it. So that happens to be one of my core tools. I'm not the person in my business anyway that does most of the actual tools. I'm the one who product develops the design pilot, the journey builder, the market metrics. So I'm creating more of those tools. But for my use of them is really fairly narrow in terms of what my requirements are. But I see the potential, like Notebook LM is, I can see the massive potential, and I'm starting to use that pretty heavily. But when I see a tool like that, and maybe it's just my mindset, I've always been an innovator in some ways in the businesses I'm in, because I love technology since the 90s when I first got involved. I was involved in publishing. I was involved in hardware and software businesses. And then when those merged, everyone said, oh my God, what's going to happen? Oh, this is a real nightmare. It wasn't a happy moment. And the thing is the similar hit today. Oh my gosh, it's going to take away. No, it's going to radically change what you're doing. And so my tools are mostly, when I look at a tool, I think of what the application of it could be to my world of the business that I'm building. So it's less about me using the tool for an answer, but our team uses all sorts of, Canva tools and all sorts of Frame.io tools and things. But again, we're very much, restricted, in fact, for most of our distribution publishing clients as it exists today, from using AI to create the core content. So we position the AI we use as tools to help the instructor, the instructional designer, the what we call an engagement manager or producer, or the operations team, obviously. And so it helps in what I say is remove the frictions and increase the creativity. Right? Remove the frictions and increase the creativity of the instructor, of the expert, not just the instructor,
Sounds
of
like
all the
a plan.
experts.